Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to learn about how to sort a data. For that we have to use a keyword called order. Okay, so we will learn how to do ordering in ascending manner or in descending manner. Okay, so we have two tables. One is department table, department ID, department name. Another one is employee table, employee ID, name, age, salary, department ID. Okay, so my first question is how to sort the employee name by salary column. I want to see who gets the minimum salary, who gets the maximum salary, and what is the order. Okay, so we are simply going to use the order by clause. So we have to write order employees by salary. So you have to write select. I want to see what? I want to see the name and I want to see their salary. Okay, so I have written select name comma salary. From table name you have to provide employees. Sorry, employee. Now you have to use the order by clause. So I will write order by which column? I want to order by the salary column. So you have to write salary. Now I want to see who gets the maximum. So I want to sort in descending manner. So I have to write DESC. Okay, you understand the keyword? Select for selecting, from the table, order by for ordering, by which column you have to mention the name of the column, and then in which order, in descending manner or in ascending manner. So let me first show you. See, Bob is getting the 90,000 salary, David is also getting 90,000, Ian is getting 88, 70, 62. You can understand that it is sorted in a descending manner. Now I want to see this same thing but in ascending manner. So Grace will be on the top and Bob will be on the in the end. Okay, so you just simply have to write ASC. Okay, ASC is for ascending, DSC is for descending. See, now Grace is on the top, 48,000 salary is on the top and David is on the end. Okay, you can see that it is sorted in ascending manner. Clear? Now order employees by salary in descending, that we have already done. Order employees by department and salary. So now tell me how to do this. I want to select, let's say I want to select everything, not only name and salary. So I can write start from employee. Now department and salary. So I will write order by department. What is the column name for department? There is only one column for department ID. Okay, so we can simply write department ID. No problem. Department ID in ascending manner, then salary in ascending manner. Okay, so you can order by using two column also. See. Now you have selected all, so start, that's why every column is showing. Now see the sorting is done using department ID 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5. See, then it is done in salary, so 60,000 70,000 48,000. Okay, so the first order is done as per the department ID, so department ID, then it is done as per the salary. Clear? See, for first department 60,000 70,000, then for second department 48,000 90,000, then for third department 50,000 62,000, for fourth department. So first it has given a preference to department ID, then the salary. Clear? Now next question is order employees by joining date, but we don't have any joining date, so leave this question for now. We have to add a column of join date, then only we can do this. Okay, let me close this. Now order employees alphabetically by name, so you have to do the order by on a string column. Okay, same, no problem. Select, I want to see the name only from the table name, and I want to order by which column? Name column, and alphabetically. So you want to sort in ascending manner. A will come first, then B, then C, in this way. Alice, Bob, Charlie, David. Okay, now if I want to see in opposite way, I want to see from Jack, then you just have to write descending. Simple, the same thing. Okay. Now order departments by department name. Okay, so let me show you here. You have to use the department table. So order department by department name. Okay, so we will use select department from the table name is department. I think department table, department name. Sorry. So select department name from department, order by department name, and I want to do it in descending manner. Okay, so See, cells S, then M, then I, then H, then F. Okay, but if you want to do it in ascending manner, you have to write ASC. Now if, then H, then I. Clear? Order employees by experience. For that you need a join date column. I don't have that. Okay, so now let's do this one. Order employees by salary if equal, then by name. So first you have to give first preference to salary, then by name. So I can write select, let's say I want to see everything, star from employee. I want to order by salary in DESC manner. But if the salary is equal, then by name. So name ASC. Okay. So what will happen then? First it will sort as per the salary, but if both of them has same salary, then use the name in ascending order. See the output, you will understand. See, 90,000, 90,000. Bob also has 90,000 salary, David also has 90,000 salary. So how then second preference? Name. So that's why name is in ascending order. So Bob is first, David is second. But what if I want David as first and Bob as second? Because both of them has same salary, so I want to put David at the first. Then you just have to simply change here DESC. Now if you just run this, oh, I'm so sorry. Now see, David comes first. Okay. So first priority is salary, second priority is name. Name you can put in ascending manner or in descending manner. Clear? Now the next one. Order employees with null values in the salary at the end. Okay. So you are going to order by salary, but you want the null values to come at the end, not in the first. Okay. So I can write select star from employee table. I want to order by salary is null, comma salary DSC. If I run this, see, there is an error. Okay, so you can say that there is no null value, so that's why. So first let me insert some null values. Okay, so that you can do by using update. Let's say I'll update employee table set salary equals to null for where employee ID equals to, let's say, 102. So for David I am making the salary as null. I think it's done. Yeah, it's done. Okay, now if I run this, then you can see now salary, null salary is at the end. Okay, but if I write salary ASC, now let me run this. Now the salary is in ascending order, but the null value is at the end. So you put the salary in descending manner or in the ascending manner, the null values will be at the end. Clear? Okay, now we are going to learn how to do sorting by a calculated field. First we will calculate a field, then we will do the sorting. Let's say I want to increase everyone's salaries by 3 times. So I can write select salary into 3 times as given name. So I can give 3 times salary. Okay, from employee table. Let me first show you what happens here. Everyone's salary is increased by 3 times. First, I have to give name also, then it will look better. See, everyone's salary is increased by 3 times. Bob's was a null, so it will always be null. Okay, now I want to order by on this calculated field. Okay, I have given a name by as keyword. So now if I order by, I can write order by on which column? This new column. It was not before, but I have given a name. So order by this. Now I can write ascending, descending in whatever you want. So just see, the null will be at the top. Now everyone's salary is in ascending manner. Okay, if you want you can write descending also, so it will be in descending manner. Okay, so this way you can put order by on some calculated field also. Okay, so today we have learned how to use order by clause, how to do order in ascending manner and how to do order in descending manner. Okay, Bye. Happy learning.